Do y'all see this wig? Excuse me, my hair. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slang. Your girl got her drink today. It has been a week, child, so you know. Anyway, do y'all see this wig? Excuse me, my hair. Cause who gonna tell me it's not mine? I mean, if they see the lace, then they might. So let me fix that real quick. This is real. I'm showing y'all real time, pre-filmed. But you know, just get up under that lace to make sure it's laying down the way I need her to be. See? So if you see my lace later on in the video, no you didn't. But before I show you guys how I got this wig from A to Slay quickly, dish soap and grease. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs in my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. So if you want to check them out, you can. This is their new 7x5 pre-cut unit. I got it in the Yaki texture, and y'all have seen other pre-cut units from them before. I have tried them on my channel, but they added the drawstring for this one to give a more secure fit. Make sure when you pull the drawstring down, you lock it into place if you want it to stay where it is on your head. I'm using my black Radiant Soft Focus Powder any color milk chocolate to tint my lace. I don't know if I can wear this unit glueless or not because the lace is a little buckled in the front. Not really sure what happened with that. I did wash my wig with dish soap, and then I went in with my wig shampoo and leave-in conditioner spray, and my wig feels a lot better. Y'all know in my past and maybe in my future, I didn't always wash my wigs, but I suggest you are always washing your wigs, okay? You can just see the difference right here, how this wig is looking a lot healthier. It took me about 15 minutes to wash and blow dry this hair because it is a shorter length, and I use my blow dry brush. The washing removes that film from the hair. If you've purchased a human hair wig before, you know what film I'm talking about. All that processing and chemicals they use on their hairs, and then that top coat of whatever they're using, that's pretty much what I'm removing from the hair and make it look a little bit more natural. It doesn't have that stiffness to it as far as, you know, Yaki textures are known to have. This is how we are looking. Very nice. I'm gonna take off my adjustable straps in the back just to make sure this wig is gonna fit down on my head. We know how these wigs be coming for the big kid girls. I don't want a concussion today while I'm trying to be cute. Hold up, let me fold it down first. Pull it over. Ooh, that's a nice fit. That is a nice fit. I feel like these are thicker ear tabs too. Is that because of the lace? No, is that bending? Oh, those are bendable ear tabs in there. Bend it up or press it in and bend it down. Oh, okay. I like it. Uh-oh, I don't know where my claw clip went. Then the drawstring in the back. Tighten this part down. Even though it is pretty secure around my nape, it's a little like buckled out here. So tightening down the drawstring will help that lay a little bit flatter. Okay, and then lock it into place and and then tuck it under. So this is how the hairline is looking. It's like right up against that lace, which I don't necessarily care for. I need to pluck out some of this hair because there's no type of like baby hair transition. So I'm just gonna pull down the first row and then pluck behind that. These are too long. I'm gonna cut some of that just to give me the hairline that I want. You normally don't cut it back that far, so I would say don't cut it back as far, Nadula, just to make sure I can get, you know, somewhat of a natural look around there. Do the same thing over here. Okay, clip it back. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to mold my lace down. What do I tell y'all it is? It's a mold, not a hold. I'm pretty sure because my lace was cut so close to that hairline, that's why it was kind of folding into itself or buckling around the edge. So hopefully the mousse will help. They did send me a band. Let's open that and brush this back. I don't want them down that much. Brush them down. Okay. Nadula. For the hair, I just kind of want to bump my ends. Let me put my glasses under back under my wig. There we go. I am getting some shedding with my wig as I am brushing it. Not a lot, but you know, some shedding. Just gonna go in and bump my ends really quick. Hold it. Okay. Give my wig some body, because it's pretty much just straight up and down. Now let's unwrap this wig and see how the lace is sitting. Ow, that's my hair. Not too bad at all. Cut this a little bit. Just need it to be a little bit shorter. Cut out these extra long pieces. Let me flatten out my top here, warm and high. I just want my hairline to lay a certain way, and I can't get it to lay with just the mousse. So I'm gonna use my hold spray, like that. There's nothing wrong with wearing your wig glueless or with a little bit of spray. I just wanna make the wig sit how I want it to sit, you know? There we go. I don't think I need any product in my parting space. That looks pretty decent. Is my parting space crooked? I may need to change it. Just a smidge. Use a little bit of grease on here. A little bit. Just a little bit. So here's the final look of my hair. Dish soap and grease. If you do not treat your wigs like you would your natural hair, you missing out. And before somebody say it, yes, I have washed my natural hair with dish soap before. Now it makes it squeaky clean. Okay, so you will need to condition that bad boy real good. But if it's good for ducks, it's good for my wigs. This wig with the coupon, I believe, is $116. And if you don't want to pay that all at once, they have the pay in full. No tangling with this wig. I'm still getting a little bit of shedding though. It's not like clumps of shedding. It's like onesie, twosie pieces here and there. Some of that could be from when I went in and plucked my hairline a little bit, and the other could be from the actual frontal. When you have a double degraded lace, meaning tiny knots and bleach knots, which is what this has, you know, the bye-bye knots, it will cause that hair to break a little bit easier. Okay, so make sure you are careful with your manipulation up in here. I want your wig to last, but if you happen to have problems with that, they do have a 30-day no reason return and exchange, meaning no matter the reason, you can return or exchange your wig. If you want your hair flapping in the wind, go ahead and get that debit card. But yeah, y'all, nothing crazy with this wig whatsoever. I don't know what I'm saying. It's time for me to go. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.